Hey, Car Care Zone family. Are you tired of dealing with engine troubles and poor performance? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 15 game-changing tips that will help your engine run better than ever. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting out, these practical strategies will not only enhance your driving experience, but also save you money in the long run. Stick around until the end, because we'll reveal some insider secrets that could transform your engine's performance. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's get started on making your engine purr like a kitten. As a car owner, you want your vehicle to perform at its best. A well-maintained engine not only enhances your driving experience, but also prolongs the life of your car and improves fuel efficiency. In this video, we will explore 15 effective strategies that can help you make your engine run better. Each point is backed by recent findings and practical advice that you can easily implement. 1. Use the right fuel. Using the correct fuel type for your vehicle is essential for optimal engine performance. Most cars are designed to run on regular unleaded gasoline, but some high-performance vehicles require premium fuel. Using a lower octane fuel than recommended can lead to knocking and reduced efficiency. Always refer to your owner's manual to determine the appropriate fuel grade for your vehicle. 2. Check and replace spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders. Worn or fouled spark plugs can lead to misfires, reduced power, and increased fuel consumption. Inspect your spark plugs every 30,000 miles and replace them as needed. Using high-quality spark plugs can enhance engine performance and fuel efficiency. 3. Regular oil changes. One of the most crucial aspects of engine maintenance is changing the oil regularly. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts, reduces friction, and helps to keep the engine cool. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, leading to increased wear and tear on engine components. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval, which is typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for conventional oil. If you use synthetic oil, you may extend this interval to 10,000 miles or more. 4. Keep the air filter clean. The air filter plays a vital role in ensuring that your engine receives clean air for combustion. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow, leading to poor engine performance and reduced fuel efficiency. Regularly clean your air filter. Check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles and replace it if it appears dirty or clogged. A clean air filter can improve acceleration and fuel economy by up to 10%. 5. Regularly inspect belts and hoses. The belts and hoses in your engine are critical for its operation. Worn or damaged belts can lead to engine overheating or failure, while cracked hoses can cause coolant leaks. Inspect belts and hoses every 30,000 miles and replace them if you notice any signs of wear, such as cracks or fraying. Regular inspections can prevent costly repairs down the line. 6. Maintain the cooling system. The cooling system prevents your engine from overheating, which can cause severe damage. Regularly check the coolant level and inspect hoses for leaks or wear. Flush the cooling system and replace the coolant every 2 years or as recommended by your manufacturer. This helps to prevent corrosion and ensures efficient heat transfer. 7. Keep the fuel system clean. A clean fuel system is essential for optimal engine performance. Over time, fuel injectors can become clogged with deposits, leading to poor fuel atomization and combustion. Use a fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles to help remove deposits and keep your fuel injectors clean. Additionally, consider having your fuel system professionally cleaned every 30,000 miles. 8. Monitor tire pressure. While it may seem unrelated, maintaining proper tire pressure can significantly impact your engine's performance. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, which can lead to increased fuel consumption. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and keep them inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Properly inflated tires can improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%. 9. Drive smoothly. Your driving habits can have a significant effect on your engine's performance. Aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration and hard braking, can lead to increased wear on engine components and reduced fuel efficiency. Adopt smooth driving techniques, such as gradual acceleration and deceleration. This not only helps your engine run better, but also improves fuel economy. 10. Keep the exhaust system in check. A properly functioning exhaust system is essential for engine performance. A clogged catalytic converter or exhaust pipe can lead to back pressure, reducing engine efficiency and power. Have your exhaust system inspected regularly, especially if you notice a decrease in performance or unusual noises. Address any issues promptly to maintain optimal engine function. 11. Use quality engine oil. Not all engine oils are created equal. Using high-quality oil can significantly impact your engine's performance and longevity. Look for oils that meet or exceed the specifications set by your vehicle manufacturer. Synthetic oils often provide better protection and performance compared to conventional oils. 12. Keep your engine clean. A clean engine runs more efficiently. Dirt and grime can accumulate on engine components, leading to overheating and reduced performance. Regularly clean your engine bay using a degreaser and a soft brush. Be cautious around electrical components and ensure that the engine is cool before cleaning. 13. Upgrade your engine components. If you're looking to enhance your engine's performance, consider upgrading components such as the air intake system, exhaust system, or even the engine management system. Research aftermarket parts that are compatible with your vehicle and consult with a professional mechanic to ensure proper installation and tuning. 14. Follow a regular maintenance schedule. Staying on top of your vehicle's maintenance schedule is crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. Regular checkups can help identify potential issues before they become major problems. Create a maintenance log and follow the recommended service intervals outlined in your owner's manual. This proactive approach can save you money and extend the life of your engine. 15. Listen to your engine. Finally, one of the best ways to ensure your engine runs well is to pay attention to it. Unusual noises, vibrations, or warning lights can indicate underlying issues that need to be addressed. Let's talk about the common engine noises and the problems they indicate. A. Knocking or pinging noise. This type of noise is often caused by detonation or pre-ignition in the combustion chamber. It may indicate low-quality fuel, incorrect ignition timing, or carbon buildup. B. Tapping or clicking noise. This noise is usually a sign of worn or loose valve lifters. It can also indicate a lack of lubrication or low oil pressure. C. Grinding noise. It often points to worn bearings or a failing component in the engine, such as the crankshaft or connecting rods. It can also occur if the starter motor is grinding against the flywheel. D. Hissing or whistling noise. This may indicate an exhaust leak or a vacuum leak. A hissing sound can also come from a failing hose or gasket. E. High-pitched squeal. It is often caused by worn or loose serpentine belts or timing belts. It can also indicate that the belt is slipping, which affects multiple engine components. F. Rattling noise can be a sign of loose components within the engine, such as the heat shields or exhaust system. It may also indicate that there is a problem with the timing chain or belt. G. Deep thudding noise. This often indicates serious internal damage, such as a failing piston or broken connecting rod. It requires immediate attention to prevent catastrophic engine failure. Popping sound may suggest an issue with the fuel air mixture, often due to a faulty fuel injector or ignition system. It can also indicate a problem in the exhaust system. I. Chugging or hesitation. This is often a sign of fuel delivery issues, such as a clogged fuel filter or failing fuel pump. It can also indicate problems with the ignition system. J. Loud exhaust noise usually indicates an exhaust leak or a failing muffler. It may also suggest issues with the catalytic converter. If you notice any of these noises, it's essential to investigate further. Ignoring engine noises can lead to more severe problems and costly repairs. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to unusual sounds can help keep your engine running smoothly. If you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic to diagnose the issue accurately. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, consult a professional mechanic immediately. Early detection can prevent costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. By implementing these 15 strategies, you can significantly improve your engine's performance and longevity. Regular maintenance, proper driving habits, and attention to detail are key to ensuring that your vehicle runs at its best. Remember, A well-maintained engine not only enhances your driving experience, but also saves you money in the long run. Thanks for watching, Car Care Zone family. Now that you're equipped with these 15 essential tips, you can take your engine's performance to the next level and enjoy a smoother, more efficient ride. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drivers. Let's spread the knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest car care tips and tricks. Have any tips of your own or questions about engine maintenance? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your engine running strong.